Hey everyone, welcome to this channel, and here we are again back with another video. This episode is about taking care of your body, and taking care of your body means taking care of your health, because health is wealth. That's right, what we have here right now is a fitness planner. This planner will cover fitness tips, spaces to fill with regards to your fitness goals, workout vlogs, etc. And because it's an annual planner, I've prepared monthly sections for this, same formats but different colors. This template is all free and you can access the soft copy for printing by the description box below. It's no longer editable like in my previous videos, but that's what makes its efficiency more open and wide. Like for example, you can reuse this template for the next year since this is not only made for 2020. I'm glad you stayed with me throughout this flip through and I hope you enjoyed what you saw, but how about we expand that by you seeing more of this? So come with me as we go through behind the making of this planner and learn more about how this works. Let's get right into it. Okay, so we are back here in Canva. Okay, this time we will be using a different platform and it's something a lot easier, a lot more common, and way more available for everyone.
Already?
Yes, that's right. We will be using Microsoft Office's PowerPoint for making this planner. Well, some of you may not know this, but PowerPoint is actually a very good tool or platform for making graphic designs. Now, the only downfall we have here is instant access to a number of graphics. So for this video, we will still be using Canva, but only to download different fitness-related graphic designs. If you don't have Canva, don't worry, you can still try using Google Images for clip arts. Another thing, Microsoft has a limited number of fonts, and what we want to do is make our planner alive by using more unique and handwriting ones. So I've downloaded some for this. You guys check out www.defont.com. It has a lot of wonderful free fonts and all you gotta do is download them and have them installed in your PC. Once installed, it'll automatically show up in any Microsoft platform you have. Also guys, I've prepared these pages since I wanted to create ones with bookmarks. These little bookmarks will help you track of your monthly logs throughout the year. So, first thing we are gonna do is adjust the slide size to our preference. And for this, I'm in for the usual short font size, which is 27.94 by 21.59 centimeters. However, instead of 27.94 for our width, I'll be changing it to 30 since I want to make space for bookmarks. Later on, you'll see that. By the way, pardon for such an annoying screen recorder. It didn't used to show like this when I record, but I don't know why it suddenly showed up. Well, anyway, it's gonna disappear soon, so I hope you bear with me. Okay, back to our planner. We will start this off with a blank space for your name. So for this, I decided to use green as our color theme. Shout out to my cousin, by the way, her favorite color is green. Also, a little advertisement, she's also starting out the channel about the game Roblox and animation. You guys check it out if you are interested. Next we have here is a motivational quote to get us going. And to the next page will be a section where we take a sneak peek of our progress of the year. And of course, the pictures are the main highlights. So here we will have the front and the side of how your body looks in the beginning of the year and to the end for you to see how much you've changed. But of course, little things matter. So right under the pictures, you will be filling in your body measurements. To the left of this page is a list of all your fitness-related goals in life. Whether be it's to change your diet for a healthier lifestyle, getting a slimmer body, a flat stomach, you can list all of that right here to remind you of what you want to achieve and also have something to look back at the end of the year. Get yourself satisfied by checking boxes of the goals you have finally achieved. By the right side of the page is like a brain dump where you can jot in all your thoughts in the course of your fitness journey and a few ideas or lessons you learned in the way. Right here, we have a whole spread for some fitness tips I have learned through watching different kinds of fitness videos. Now, I've just added another spread where you will list down all kinds of workouts you've been working on. On this top will be the name of your workout session, and right under that is its time duration. Okay, now we are on to our first month of the year, January. And here we will be using our first page with the first bookmark. Add in a little motivational quote and we are good to go. Now, how about we take a glance of your whole month fitness routine? Maybe you're following a slimming program lately or an app. So that's how you want to fill your calendar. You get to see what workouts you've been up to for a number of days and get an overview of when to get rest days. Simple reminder, it is important that even in rest days you are still active. Maybe you didn't get to do your usual workout, but you can take a walk or a morning jog. While these small boxes inside each box will be filled in with days. This spread will be another glance of your month, but this time of how you've been progressing throughout the days. So we had this little page before where we could tape on our before-after pictures throughout the year. But here we will be in more detail. You will be taking a picture of you in side view each day of the whole month and scrap them on this spread. This way you are able to see the little changes as each day passes. Moving on, we will be having a weight and a step tracker. By the left side is for your weight. Basically, I'm making this graph right now where the lines at the bottom represent the days of the month, while these three lines are the weight itself in kilograms, starting from 40, then 50, and 60. This will be a line graph. Then the boxes here under will be filled in with your weight in numbers. By this right side of the page, it's the same process, however you track your daily steps here. For what I know, you should have at least 6 to 10,000 steps each day to keep yourself physically active. The last spread we have here is our weekly log, and this includes our workout, food, water, and measurements log. Here, you are able to check more about your lifestyle and understand which habit, which food keeps you fit or unfit, and learn more about how to manage yourself and only cater to what your body needs. Now that includes our annual fitness planner. I hope I have opened your hearts to start a healthier lifestyle and to become open to your fitter self. I've prepared a PDF soft copy for these printables, and you can have access to that by scrolling down this video and checking the description box for the link. Also, I left another link in PowerPoint format so you can still edit it when you want to make little changes or if you also plan to use it for the next year. By the way guys, I'm also planning to do a tutorial video soon on how to put these printables together and achieve that handy booklet planner. I assure you that it will be all easy, no stitching and stuff, so make sure you don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn the notification bell on for updates when I post a new video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and let me know in the comments how you want to start your fitness journey with this planner in mind. Anyway, if you like this video, how about you join me in this constantly voyaging world of planning with me? So go ahead, hit that subscribe button and let's promise to see each other again. Kita kits!